Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Canva from Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Canva from your Mac, begin by closing the application if it's currently open. Locate the Finder icon in your dock and click on it to open a new Finder window. In the Finder sidebar, select Applications to view all installed applications on your Mac. Scroll through the list or use the search bar in the upper right corner to find Canva. Once you locate Canva, click and hold its icon. Drag the Canva icon to the trash bin in your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Canva icon and select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. To completely remove the application, you now need to empty the trash. To do this, right-click on the trash bin in your dock and select Empty Trash. If prompted, confirm that you want to permanently delete the item. To ensure no leftover files are present, navigate back to the Finder. In the menu bar, select Go and then hold down the Option key. This will reveal the Library option. Click on it. Within the Library folder, open the Application Support folder. Look for any folders named Canva and delete them if found. Next, return to the Library folder and open the Caches folder. Check for any cache files related to Canva and delete them as well. You may also want to look in the Preferences folder for any Canva-related files. If found, delete these preference files to fully remove Canva from your system. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure all changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled Canva from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.